Okay, I'm just here to demonstrate the problem I'm having with this welder. It's a uf20b, it's brand new. As you can see here, it's on gear 15. Oh, shoot. Gear 15, can you see it? It's weld manual, no preheat, intermittent 3 seconds. Gears 15. Okay. What if I change this to 2 milliseconds, what I usually have? I'm not sure that's going to make a difference. Okay, it's on gear 15. This is 0.15 millimeter nickel plate. Okay, 0.15 millimeter. Okay, so it's going to blow out almost every third weld, or sometimes 3 in a row. Let's see if it does it now. I have my safety glasses on. I cleaned the tips here. Okay, they are very clean. In fact, look, there's no blackness. I'll show you cleaning it again. Okay, and then I try to keep firm pressure, not too hard, not too soft. And I try to keep it, straight. Sometimes it'll blow. Okay, so here we go. First weld, let's see if it blows. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go, see? It popped, it snapped. It's not supposed to do that, right? And then it blows a hole here on the positive terminal, and it doesn't weld properly. Okay, so let's try the other one, another one. Let's go a little bit lower. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Okay, that one worked. See, when you have it angled down, it doesn't do it. But when you have it angled up, then it starts to do it. All right, here we go. See, that's fine. Okay, so it's got to be angled down, which is really annoying. But sometimes it still does it. Okay. All right, if I have it straight up, it'll pop. So I don't want to do it, but I'll do it for demonstration purposes only. When I have the tips mostly vertical. Okay, I clean the tip on that one. This is the one that mostly pops on the left side or on the right. Okay. As you can see, there's a big hole there where a weld should have been. Oh, I should have made that into a 3. Okay. Anyways, let's start here. Let's have it vertical. Okay, it's gonna pop. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Popped. See? I'll do it again if I have it vertical. 1, 2, 3. Popped. Okay. Why does it do that when you have it vertical? Is it the tip? Or what? If I have it at an angle like this, like really angled, it won't pop. It'll weld normally. Watch. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See, that's fine. It's a bit sticky, but at least it's not popping. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So that's the issue. When you have it vertical, it pops. Is it supposed to be like that? I don't know. You tell me.